Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting mid-setup. Open your clip in Video Star and jump straight to effects. Once there, pick tracking blur and choose point or area tracking based on subject size. You should place the tracker on the most stable part of the subject, face, logo, or object edge, then create the first keyframe and roughly size the mask. Do this now so the app has a reliable reference. Make sure the initial placement is precise, because the tracker uses this frame to follow motion accurately. Once the initial track exists, play the clip and inspect the path frame by frame to catch drift. You'll add keyframes where the tracker struggles, typically every 5 to 15 frames for fast motion, so the mask stays locked. Then tweak blur amount, radius, and feather to match scene depth. Higher feather blends edges, lower radius keeps sharp borders. If the subject rotates or occludes, pause and add manual keyframes or retract short segments to correct drift. This hands-on refinement is why projects look professional. You're near the finish. Preview the full clip at normal speed and export a short test to confirm blur consistency. If the blur jumps or detaches, don't panic. Reduce tracking sensitivity, add precise manual keyframes, or retract the problematic segment. Once satisfied, save a version and render full export using H.264 with an 8 to 12 Mbps target bitrate for good quality and manageable file size. A quick troubleshooting tip: if persistent wobble occurs, mask a slightly larger area and increase feather to hide small tracking errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.